Detroit dog shit.
Cause I was 2 C's, 2 cups in the old school with a new slut. Everybody's juiced up, right, left, first, that's a new truck.
Hey, yo, Detroit, man, what's good? Welcome to DDS, the voice of Detroit. I don't hear what the people say. I say what the people hear. First off, if you're not a subscriber, I hope you will be by the end of this video. But if you are a subscriber, don't move. Today's video, we got BabyFace Ray. Telling a crazy story, man, about him and VEZZO outside a club in some state. Some nigga that gave him the keys to some exotic car. They get outside the club when it's time to leave, and they can't start that motherfucker up. Dog and pull it off. That's when the car got surrounded by.
It's funny because it keep happening, and then it keep bringing me back to some silly shit that happened before. And I understand what's going on. Every time I pull my truck to valet, the valet they act like they don't know how to pull the car off. It's the years or whatever. So one time we was in Cali, this was right around the pandemic, right around, this was getting up, right? Me and Vez was out there. I don't know what Vez was out there doing, but I think we ended up going out there on my active mind. But we was at Cali Plug compound, shoot, and sit down. It's an Asian pulled up, they had a white ears. So they seen we about to go to the club, they like, dog, jump in with us, we about to take it out to the club. So we like that. We getting the car with the, we go to the club, we have a boy, it was lit. So when we leave the club, they like, y'all pull off in the ears, y'all the rap, you know what I'm saying, y'all pull off in style. So we like, hell yeah, for sure. So Vez jump in the driver's seat. I jump in the passenger seat. Hey gang, we spent 30 minutes trying to put the car and drive dead smack in front of the club. I'm talking about the door right here. We in white ears sitting, can't get that drive. I'm talking about all type of rolling 60s, gangbanger. The windows not tinted, so they see us clearly. Icewear VEZZO and BabyFace Ray all at the window talking to us. We can't get the drive for nothing in the world, bro. Like, it's on Google trying to get that drive and everything, to the point where who car it was, he had to come back and put that to drive for us. I just had to share that with y'all because this really happened. Yeah, dog. Thursday. That was like a flex going wrong. We was in there panicking, like, damn, what the? No Kenzie. Yeah, I swear. We looked up YouTube trying to figure it out. We couldn't figure it out.
Hey, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Comment down below how y'all feel about it. I'll see y'all next time on DDS, the voice of Detroit.